Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Klein. I am currently a healthful living teacher at Riverbend Middle School in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is my 11th year of teaching. I'm very excited to continue my classwork in the MSA program with the University of North Carolina, Wilmington. Um, One tip strategy that I would say as a leader is to be understanding and to make relationships not just with our students but also with our colleagues. Just like our students, I mean, each colleague we go through different things daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. And we just all need to start using a little bit more empathy with each other and more understanding, and just the ability to communicate well and just to share your feelings, your ideas as well. One interesting fact about myself, I'm the proud father of two identical twin daughters, Emmy and Lila. They're 4 years old. They will be starting kindergarten this July, which completely blows my mind. But it's one interesting fact about myself. I look forward to working with everyone this semester and EDL 530. Take care.